So in this video we want to just extend the binomial. We had a look at how these probabilities came about from this question in a previous video. Now we're just going to look at just some notation and the idea of the mean and the variance. So in this question, we have four questions and we guess on each option A, B, C, D. So we're just going to use some notation. So we're saying that X, which is the score, let's call the score X, we're basically saying B for binomial, and we use a bracket, and N and P. Now, the N stands for the number of trials we're doing. So we're doing 4 trials, and P is the probability of a success, so that we get one right, so a quarter. So we can get that from here. The probability of getting one of these right is a quarter. We're doing this 4 times. A couple of things. The mean value, or what we expect to happen, is simply NP. So in this case, if we're guessing at 4 answers and there's a quarter chance we get one right, we would expect to get 1 correct. So in this case, it's 4 times a quarter, which is 1. It's exactly what we would expect. We would expect to get 1 correct. So that's the EX, or the mean, but we also have the variance. Now this probably isn't needed at AI, but it might be needed if you're doing AA higher level. So the variance of X is NP, and then we do 1 minus P. So that will be 4 times a quarter. We've already done that. We know that's 1. And 1 take away P is 3/4. So the variance just comes out as being 3/4. And just in case you need it, the standard deviation is always the square root of the variance. So this is going to be the square root of 3 divided by 2. So that's just some notation we use, which is up here, which you'll see a lot with the binomial, and how we work out EX and the variance.